guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at mode, which is a part of statistics. So to start with, let's look at this data set. Now, this data set represents the number of books each person owns in a friend group. So one person would own one book, one person would own two books, and so on. That's what this data set is basically about. But that's not too important for now, because we are going to be looking at what the mode of this data set is going to be. So something that I like to think about is basically, if you write out mode like this, and just look at M and O, then we can say that M stands for most, and O stands for occurring. So most occurring, that's how you can remember what mode is, because what mode is the most occurring number in a data set. Now over here, let's see, 1 occurs 1 times, 2 is only 1, 3 is 2 times only, 4 however, there are 3 4s, 5 2 and 7 1. So our mode over here is going to be 4. Now let's say if there was a data set which was which had this 1 1 1 and 4 4 4. So what would be the mode over here? The thing is, over here there are going to be 2 modes. Okay, so there are going to be 2 modes, and those 2 modes are going to be 1 and 4, as we can see, because they both occur up to the same amount of times. So that's basically what mode is. Easy, right? So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye!